It is essential to clean your Rotimatic daily. It takes just 10 minutes and is vital to keep your machine running smoothly and hygienically. Please wait for 25 minutes for your Rotimatic to cool down before cleaning it. Cleaning the flour tunnel. Remove the flour container and use the magic brush to brush any flour residue into the flour tunnel. Then, use a dry cloth or a tissue to wipe away any remaining flour. Ensure that the slot is completely dry before replacing the flour container. Cleaning kneading parts. Kneading parts like the dough cup, stirrer, and the dough tray need to be cleaned daily or after making rotis. Open the side door, hold the dough cup handle and rotate it to the left to unlock it. Gently remove the dough tray by sliding it out. Remove the stirrer out of the dough cup. Press tabs on the top and push out the stirrer. Use the magic brush to clean any dough residue or flour residue around the kneading section and the sweeper. Clean the dough cup, stirrer, and dough tray thoroughly and let them dry completely before use. Cleaning the vertical tray. To clean the vertical tray, you need to put your Rotimatic in the cleaning mode. Press the power button and then select Cleaning to enter into the cleaning mode. Now select VT. You will see that the vertical tray will move up. Open the side door and use the magic brush to clean flour and dough residue. You can also use a soft, dry cloth to clean this area. After cleaning, shut the side door and reselect VT. The vertical tray will move down. Cleaning the pans. Before cleaning the pans, ensure that your Rotimatic is switched off and has cooled down for at least 25 minutes after use. Use the magic stick to clean the top and the bottom pans like this. Avoid wearing jewelry that might scratch the pan surface. You can also use a non-abrasive microfiber cloth or paper towel to clean the pans. Wet the cloth and squeeze dry before wiping the pans. Reassembly of kneading parts. After the kneading parts are dry, you will need to reassemble them. Insert the stirrer into the dough cup by pushing it until you hear a click. Hold the dough cup handle and slide it into the slot. Gently lift it upwards while rotating to lock it in place. Slide the dough tray back into its slot.